Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe, today bringing you this practical and gorgeously looking Seat Ibiza 5-door hatchback. This particular example is now available at our dealership and is in fact finished in the popular SE design version, here in the optional midnight black metallic colour and powered by a 1.0 MPI petrol engine with 70 PS worth of power. In the front, strikingly angular design will benefit from automatic headlights with LED daytime running lights, as well as front and rear fog lights, which also feature static cornering function. As one of our Motor Match vehicles, this car will benefit from a 1,000-mile 30-day warranty, with the option of taking out an extended RAC warranty to give you additional peace of mind. Coming around the side, you will also inherit a set of these gorgeous 16-inch design chrome alloy wheels, which complement the black paint nicely. There's even a full panoramic sunroof, which features a tilt and sliding function, which is ideal for the spring and sunny days that are ahead of us. Round the side, privacy tinted windows will also add to the overall sporty look of the vehicle, and passengers in the rear won't be complaining, as there's absolutely loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3. Two-tone cloth upholstery adds to the overall brighter appeal of the car, and it even features 2 ISOFIX child anchor points and additional storage, all underneath that gorgeous looking panoramic roof. Moving towards the rear, distinctly designed LED taillights with prominent Ibiza badging will be available in the centre, guaranteed to turn heads. The boot space is also very practical. It can take 2, maybe even 3 carry-on suitcases and definitely a week's worth of shopping. Rear seats can also be folded down in a 60-40 split to create more space, and shopping hooks are great for any delicate items to hang up. Underneath here, there's also your subwoofer for the Beat sound system too. A quick glimpse inside the front of the cabin will also reveal a stylish interior, offering a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with prominent front seats offering side lumbar support and decorative door and dash inserts. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of the Seat Ibiza. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Seat Ibiza, it really is a nice comfy interior. As I mentioned, the decorative dash insert adds to the overall feel of the car, whilst driver control panels are logically laid out and easy to use. Front electric windows, as well as electrically operated wing mirrors and easy-to-use automatic headlights are all within reach. The multifunction steering wheel can operate the trip computer and voice controlling commands from the right side, whilst the left side will operate radio stations, Bluetooth and volume. There is even a speed limiter function available on the stock, and the TFT screen in the center will even offer a digital speedometer to complement analog dials. Front assist city emergency braking will keep you and your passengers safe, whilst audio, radio stations and Bluetooth contacts can all be operated from the wheel whilst on the move. In the center console, there's also an easy-to-use touch-sensitive screen. Featuring physical shortcuts for added benefit, this car will come with the likes of AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception for that crisp sound quality. Various media source functionality add-ons can also be utilized, such as those displayed on the screen. You'll be happy to know the Beat sound system can also be fully optimized, prioritizing where the sound travels in the cabin, and the equalizer function will allow you to play around with the presets for the ideal crisp sound quality. The Bluetooth telephony process is also incredibly easy to pair and follow, so no need to worry there, whilst various car settings will allow you to personalize this Seat Ibiza to truly make it your own. Other features will also include system settings, which will also allow you to play around with various functions of this vehicle. Moving down the cabin, you'll also find an easy-to-use air conditioning system, which is operated via these 3 rotary dials. For the hot summer days ahead of us, there's even easy-to-use air conditioning. Storage tray with built-in USB chargers and auxiliary inputs will make sure your phone's battery stays topped up at all times. That Beat sound system truly delivers ultimate sound quality, so make sure you check it out when you visit our showroom. Easy to use controls for the sunroof are also very easy, featuring a manual sunshade blind which you can cover to block out the sun, and it also lets in plenty of natural light with the cream light colored headlining. This has been a presentation of the Seat Ibiza SE design that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864 408, or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next vehicle.